I'm Roxana. Welcome to our backyard. I'm here today to talk about horsetail, Equisetum. The scientific name for horsetail is Equisetum. I remember playing with Equisetum when I was a kid. It pulls apart into these little fragments, and it was so fun to pretend and to play that you were a fairy under this very ancient forest. It's one of the oldest plants around, and in prehistoric times it was huge, and now the species that is left is sort of a, I don't know, maybe a foot tall ground cover kind of thing. And it has two parts. This is the vegetative part. I don't have a reproductive part here to show you. This I just collected yesterday when I went for a walk with a friend on his property, and he's done a whole bunch of reforestation, revegetation to native species, and the Equisetum, the horsetail, has come back in. So we're highlighting the horsetail today because the horsetail makes an excellent tea, or you can add it to your bath. With using horsetail as a tea, it's very high in calcium, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, silica, vitamins A, E, and C, and a whole bunch of other amazing nutrients. So what you do to dry it is you can dry it whole like this, sort of hang it up and let it dry, but you can also pull each of these sort of off and let them dry like that. When you're harvesting, again, be careful that you're not taking too much. Just take enough for you and your family and leave enough to grow for next year and enough for the ecosystem. And I also brought some out that I dried last year. And I'll take a pinch. So this is what it looks like dried, and it loses a bit of its color, and it does fall apart into the little segments. You can use it fresh or dried in your tea. And in my tea, I like adding a little bit of lemon balm, hyssop, which is licorice mint, another form of mint, something else to give it a little more flavor. I have another friend who drinks a lot of horsetail tea because she learned to do this from her mom. And with the horsetail tea on its own, it sort of has a medicinal taste and a kind of just you're drinking green water, green tea taste. So when you add another flavor that you like to it, it improves the flavor. So have fun exploring horsetail in your local forest, your local wild area. And you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And yeah, have fun harvesting, drying, and drinking tea through the summer and winter months to keep your immune system and your body healthy.